Hi there, this is Paul Pona. I am super excited to introduce you to our latest creation, Design Beast. Imagine having all the design, graphics, and animation apps that you'll ever need to elevate your business to new heights in one easy to use dashboard. Well, that's now a reality because Design Beast is the ultimate multi-purpose design solution featuring 6 powerful design apps in one roof to attract new customers and grow your business faster than ever before. These are next generation, never before seen technologies all packed into one easy to use application. The first automation technology is the all-in-one design and mockup engine. This powerful graphic design app features a huge library of over 7,000 plus ready-to-use customizable designs perfectly sized for all the popular social media platforms. Amazing t-shirt and product mockups, banners, book covers, YouTube thumbnails, brochures, certificates, coupons, flyers, posters, infographics, stunning ads, and banners in all the dimensions for all the social media platforms can be done in this one application. Next, we have the 3D Live motion photo animator technology. This groundbreaking new animation technology lets you turn boring still photos into dynamic animated moving visuals. Add dazzling effects like snow, rain, clouds, smoke, and various other motion design elements to your photos instantly. Make your designs pop and get 10x more results than any other form of images or photos. You can post them on social media, your blog, or website and start getting more engagement and yes, sales. Next, we have the Magic Object Remover tool, which selectively removes any objects, people, or any other element that you choose from your images and photos in 2 easy steps. Highlight the object that you want to delete and click export. That's it. Within a few seconds, the app will process the data and delete any unwanted objects from your photos. It's like magic with unmatched flexibility for faster, superior, and artificial intelligence powered results that works perfectly every single time. Then we have the one-click background removal tool, which easily erases backgrounds from any photo within seconds. This powerful machine learning technology auto-detects the edges and objects in your photos and automatically erases the background. You never have to select the object manually or draw borders around the objects like other competing apps. Simply upload any image into the app and let the AI do the heavy lifting for you. Next, we have the Slick Image Editor, which allows you to use the multi-layer image editing technology to edit any of your photos like the professionals without any complicated apps. Edit, resize, or enhance, or even add filters to turn blurry and unappealing photos into stunning visuals ready to print or publish online. And if that wasn't enough, we went a step further and created and included our next generation AI logo maker technology into the mix. This logo design app isn't like anything else that you've seen before. You can now bulk create 50 logo variations for any brand with just a click of a button. Just type in the brand name, select a logo style, and let the machine learning AI generate 50 customizable logo designs in a flash for any brand or business. Hundreds of icons, fonts, and vectors are included to customize the logos the way that you like. And now let me jump into the application dashboard of Design Beast to show you how easy it is to use all the applications that are included inside Design Beast. All the applications are right here in this one dashboard. Super easy to use. For example, one on the all-in-one design mockup engine. Here we go. We have 7,000 plus designs right here that we can even search. Like if I want to go and click search Facebook ads, I'll get every single design out there that's designed for Facebook ads. So you can do it for any business out there and start charging the money, or use it for your own business. You can just click on any one of these and then you can drag and drop any of your logos. If you don't want, you want to add them later, you can do that later, or any images and that sort of thing. And then you come into this nice and slick design editor, which is extraordinarily powerful, as you can see here. Beautiful. All the icons, logos, and all the other elements are right here to the left, and you can even change the actual setup of the entire image, because you see everything is actually layers here, and you can change that layer. You can move objects around and you can do all kinds of cool things. You can bring in your own objects and that sort of thing and make your designs pop. There's also a cool thing where you can also remove the backgrounds of images, bring them to the top, bring it to back and all that kind of layering that you can do here. You can change the actual color themes, you can change the fonts, you can add stickers, you can do all kinds of cool stuff with this. Now let's go back to the dashboard real quick. Let me show you something else here. Now we also have the one-click image background remover, right? So this means you can upload any image and remove the background in just one click. As an example, I just uploaded an image here of two couple walking on the beach. Now let's see what the background removal does. It will automatically detect the actual background, the people walking, and then it's going to basically change that like what you see right now. Pretty awesome, right? You see how it figured out automatically and it changed things over. Now if you want to edit things further, like you want to go edit and you want to maybe change any shaping and you want to adjust things a little bit more, you can definitely do that as well. You can restore, you can change the brush, and you can reset things and all that stuff. So not only do you have the artificial intelligence element here built in, you also have the manual element of actually changing things over and that sort of thing. What are the use case for this? E-commerce. You want to upload anything to Amazon or any e-commerce website like Shopify websites and that sort of thing. You need to have images without any backgrounds so that it can pop. Any platform out there like eBay, Walmart, or Craigslist or whatever, it allows images to really pop. Facebook Marketplace, for example. Or on the other hand, you also have the flexibility to change brands. For a business that wants to actually have different elements in it, you can now change these folks here, not have any background behind them. You can bring them into our image editor technology and then bring additional layers to it and can make them pop. You just click download, it's going to download the transparent PNG file right out of the gate. Now let's click on dashboard and go back here. You also have the logo factory, which is really cool. You enter the name of the company, right? So let's say, for example, your company is in the industry of real estate, right? So you say real estate, right? Let's say Fast Real Estate is your company, right? You want to sell houses quickly. So we sell houses fast is the tagline, right? And click create logo. What do you want? Graphical, initials, or some type of signature. Let's do graphical here. And then you can choose the niche here. You see this? I have real estate as the niche here. Click create logo. It's going to automatically find all the varieties of logos. You see this? Can keep going on and on and on. And you have different varieties of it. And then if you like one, again, you pick one that you like. Let's say I like this one right here. I can edit it further, right? Using the editor, or I can even download it right out of the gate. So the AI gives you both flexibilities. So you can edit it, or you can, if you're good to go, you can download it as well. So pretty powerful, right? Let me go back to the dashboard here because it's so easy to use. It doesn't even take more than a few seconds to get the ball rolling. The next thing I want to show you is the 3D live motion photos, okay? This one is really cool. You have basically the ability to convert a 2D photo into 3D motion photos here, or you can even convert 2D photos into eye-catching motion videos as well. You have both options. So you want to do the video option or the photo option as well. So you can use either upload an image or use one of the stock videos here. So let me, or stock photos in this case. So let me show you actually how it works. So I've uploaded this image, right? It's going to first ask me what is the dimensions of it that you want to do. I just want to make it landscape like so. Make sure that you get all the information here so that it'll fit social media platforms and all that stuff. So I've selected that, right? Once you've done that, click proceed. Then what you can do now is you can convert this into an animated element. So how you do this is you click the draw icon and then you can draw different elements within the actual element. So for example, I can choose the elements and the points within the animation. So for example, I can choose what is the actual element that I wanted to exclude from the animation. Then I draw this element. So basically the bike is something that I'm going to make as static, right? So I'm not going to animate the bike. I'm only going to animate the smoke around the object. Does that make sense? So this is what we do. So you just select that element here, boom, 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 like so. And then you just element, you change that over, and then you go in and then you can add the animation speed. You can even, for example, choose, right? For example, here, you see this, I can play, right? Now, since that element was chosen, I can then now add the direction of the animation elements of the other one. So you see this, I can add the direction. So I want the smoke here to go into this direction. So I can do that. And I can even actually select the car out of the picture. So basically what we're doing is we're eliminating the object that we want to be static, and then you're animating the other elements in the picture, right? So here, if I wanted to get the car out of the picture, I'd do the same thing. So just the same thing. I'd select the car out, and then this way it will not animate the car. I want the other objects to animate, right? So I just select it like so, right? Pretty straightforward. It takes me a few seconds. I just click my mouse cursor, and then I can just select the object like so. And then once you've done all this selection, doesn't have to be picture perfect. The app automatically detects like, okay, you know, you edged it out like so. Then that's it. Once you've done that, you're good. You just set the animation speed. And then you can even add the effects you want to add, like you can add confetti, clouds, you can add, you know, things that can fall on the screen, right? Like a snow effect if you want. You can do all this kind of stuff. You see this, how awesome that looks? And now once this is done, you can actually export this and you're ready to rock, okay? Now, if you don't like this snow effect, go back and then you can actually create a smoke effect like so, right? You see this? And that's also done automatically. And now you can export this as a video and upload it to social media and all the other places, right? Very easy to use. Now, let me show you the next thing. Again, you can go check out our training videos for more details on how to set it up step by step. But let me show you the other one here. This is the magic object removal here, right? So you can auto remove unwanted objects from any image that you wish. So let me upload an image here. So I've uploaded an image with a couple on the beach. Now again, you can do anything you wish really. So now if you want to eliminate anybody here, you can do that and automatically it's going to do it. So all you have to do really, you change the brush size, right? And you pick which element you want to remove. So I'm going to remove this gentleman here. Now, the beauty of this is you can just select the whole thing. Okay, you got to adjust every element here. And then I just selected this, right? Pretty awesome. Everything is selected, I believe, except for some element here. And then you just click on the proceed button. That's it. Really, that's all it is. Super easy, straightforward, ready to rock. There you go. Remove the person completely. You see that to the right here? Completely remove it. This is magic object removal. Very powerful, especially when you wanted to create beautiful professional photos for social media marketing or any kind of graphics or creative marketing you wanted to do for clients or your own brand. You can do that. Once you've done this, click on download and you're ready to rock. Nothing much there to do. Everything else is pretty much done for you. Now click on the dashboard here one more time. Let me show you the other great application that's built in here, which is, as you can imagine, the Slick Image Editor technology. Click on that. And this one is pretty cool, by the way. You can now immediately upload any one of the images or anything that you've created in the right now and add effects, and you can do all kinds of cool things. So for example, let me show you the beautiful part about this. I just uploaded this one right here of this lady here, and then now all I can do is I can add edits and resize and rotate and all that stuff. So if I wanted to resize this, I can do it. If I want to crop this to be a social media platform like 4:3, 1:1, or 2:3, or 16:9, all these different elements for different social media platforms, I can do that because this is one of the big ways that you'll actually generate more revenue from your existing stuff you do. We have also object aware crop, so you can actually crop without actually worrying about losing some objects, right? You can actually do social media crop, which is going to get the actual cropping for different social media platforms. You can add layers to it, as I mentioned before. Now you can also do automatic smoothing. So for example, if I change this over and I adjust the smoothing, it's going to automatically, see this, right? It's going to automatically smooth out the images to look professional. In this particular image, this is already beautifully sunlit and there's a lot of images, but you can actually make it even better. There's also these effects here that you see, glowing sun effect, right? And that you can add to the images. You can do all these cool things here. And then once you like what you see, right? If you like what you see, then you just download that image and you're ready to rock. So there's just few things right here. I mean, there's tons of other options like enhancing. You click on magic enhancement, it will automatically enhance an image like a professional would do, and then you don't have to do anything. This is beautiful for any graphic design, social media marketing, or anything you imagine. That's Design Beast in a nutshell. Hope you enjoy using it as much as we did building this awesome application. Thank you.